welcome to the rest of day 5. If you haven't checked out our last video, please be sure to do so. My bike says 117 degrees. On this episode, we are traveling to Sequoia National Forest, California, where we will be tent camping for the first time. Oh, there's like a festival or something going on. A bunch of people down here. Looks like a good time. Oh, there's a shit ton of people down here in the creek. Sequoia National Forest. We knew there were going to be camping spots up this road. We weren't sure how crowded it would be though. After a few hours of riding, we were unsure of if we would ever find a camping spot. At this point in time, we have been on the bikes for over 9 hours. We were losing daylight and we were desperately trying to find a place. Finally found a camp spot. Could not pick a better place to camp.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. And it's cooling off.
Yeah.
Finally. We ended up turning around and going through several campgrounds to find an open spot. The river in the valley sounded just like a white noise machine. After 9 hours and 34 minutes of riding 340 miles, we now have a place to sleep. I don't think it's recording.
I don't think that it is.
Nice.
I think this is easier to wash than a raw, because I know I was really sweating today.
Yeah. Put this on the engine.
Is it?
It's a roll one. What's this thing on the ship?
Sour dill
There's like one tree up there.
Yeah.
Just full bloom. Oh. Yeah, it's a big tourist destination. I want to go some easy way down there.
I was going to tell you about that. But
Because I just went up the side of the cliff. Yeah. Going down and I was like, this is going to be a pain in the ass to get back up. I wish they'd turn that fucking shit off. Listening to Drake in California. What the hell's wrong with you?
here's my animals around here. So that was it for day 5. We obviously made it to Sequoia, set up our tent, we're having dinner. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow as we venture out into Sierra National Park.